Hello. Did the title of this video catch your attention? You're probably curious about how to undo sending an email in Gmail. Let me explain. It's possible, but only for a few seconds after clicking the Send button. This feature doesn't recall emails that have already been delivered to the recipient but delays their sending. Let me show you how it works. Here's an example. I'm sending a new email. I add the recipient, subject, content, and click Send. After a moment, a small window appears with the option to undo send, but be aware, it will only be visible for a few seconds. If I don't take action, the undo option will disappear and the email will be sent. However, I can stop it sending within this short window of time. Now, let's take a look at Gmail settings. See here, there's a special option for undoing send. You can set how many seconds you'll have to undo the action. How does it work? When you click send, Gmail delays the email for the specified number of seconds. If that time passes, the email will be sent and delivered to the recipient. After that, there's nothing you can do. This is the standard behavior of email services. The scheduling option works similarly. When you compose a new email and expand the options next to the send button, you'll find the scheduling option. You can set a specific date and time for the email to be sent. It works in a similar way. On the left side of the screen, there's a scheduled folder where these emails will wait until their scheduled time. Does this mean you can't undo a sent email? Exactly. If an email has already reached the recipient, there's nothing you can do. It doesn't matter who provides your email service, even if you have your own server with a domain. The only exception is corporate solutions like Microsoft Exchange. Within an organization, you can actually recall an email and make it disappear from the recipient's account, provided they haven't already read it or have rules for copying emails in place. I hope you now understand everything.